Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to assemble quiet book pages without a binding. How to prepare the pages you will find if you click on the link below this video. This is heavyweight cotton canvas, fusible canvas and cotton fabric. So first I prepared the pages, then I finished all my applique, and now I may sew these pages together. So actually it's very easy and fast to do. Just take two pages. Here I have the fold facing up, here the fold facing down, and when you gather the pages, those folds will make a lock and the pages will not move during the sewing. So like so. And use your wonder clips. First start on angles and then sides. Because here I have the bumpy part, this part will be facing up and this one facing down while I'll be sewing. And do the same with the rest of the pages. I have here only 4 pairs of the pages. I have here 2 colors of the pages, blue, light blue and the dark blue. So I'm going to use 2 colors. The upper thread will be the light blue, and for the lower page I will use darker thread. And I need to prepare the bobbin, of course. Now I advise you to prepare a sample. Here I have same canvas and the piece of cotton fabric. Here I prepared the sandwich, 2 layers of the cotton fabric and 1 layer of the fusible canvas. Same here. Now I'm going to fold them like so, and I will play with the tension of the upper thread, and I will practice here to make a perfect stitch. Now you have 2 options. Install your presser foot and adjust your needle to the left. This mark on the presser foot will come along with the edge of the fabric or the pages, and the needle will come inside the fabric 1 millimeter to the left from the edge of the page, like so. If you use this method, you must watch this mark on the presser foot. Second option, you need the presser foot for the invisible stitch. Just adjust the presser foot, like so. Take your pages or sample, like so. And here you may adjust the needle on the center position, like so. You may use this method if you cannot adjust your needle to the left on your sewing machine and you have only straight stitch, I mean only in the center of the foot. So use this presser foot. Here, insert the needle into the fabric and only then tighten the screw here, like so. So this plastic bar will control the edge. Now I'm going to test my tension, and only then I will sew the pages together. Okay, I think I need to lose it a little bit. Okay, that's better. If you are satisfied with the tension, you may complete the pages. I'm going to install eyelets on this side, so I will start sewing on this side as well. But there is a trick. Take your upper thread, take your lower thread, place the lower thread in front of you and hold the upper thread. Now hold the upper thread, insert the needle into the fabric and pull the lower thread out. Now I need to tie a knot. I'm using self-threading needle. So the pages are sewn together, and now I'm going to install eyelets on the left side of the pages here. 2 eyelets per page. Before you install your eyelets on the pages, I advise you to use the sample and to install eyelets here, just to be sure that the eyelets suit the thickness of this sandwich, and only then, if you see that the eyelets are perfect and the back side of the eyelets are nice, so only then you may install the eyelets on the pages. Now take your pages, place them in order, and my page is 15 centimeters, and I'm going to install eyelets 3.5 centimeters from the side. So here 3.5. Now using the punch tool, punch 2 holes in each page. And now I may install the eyelets. Now regarding the eyelets, the inner diameter of mine is 4.5 millimeters. The punch tool is 4 millimeters. And this plier is for eyelets 4.5 millimeters. 4.5, 4.5. And the height of the eyelets is approximately 6 millimeters. So this height is enough to install the eyelets for the thick page. And I will show you how to make a cover for such a book using the eyelets in my next 2 videos. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.